everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elmarie and welcome. Today I will be cooking some stew peas using pigtail and alongside some jasmine rice. Let's get started, guys. So this pigtail, guys, I have it in the water since last night just to put it to soak to get out the excess salt from it. So I will just clean some of the fat off now. Then I will put it to boil just to eliminate more salt from it. Cut. So I just need this to boil for about 10 minutes. After start boiling, 10 minutes after, I will pour this water off and put another batch of water because we're trying to get rid of the salt. Now I will just do a little cleanup after cutting my meat. Okay, so now that this is boiling, I will just change the water. And give it a little wash. So now I change the water and put fresh water and give it a second boil. All of this is just to get rid of the salt. So now I'll put it in the Instapot to cook it. And this is my red kidney beans. I will add the red kidney beans along with the meat and pressure them together. So the peas will get the taste really of the pigtail. To start the cooking process with the peas and the pigtail, I would add some garlic and ginger. Add the garlic and the ginger. And I'll use hot water to start the cooking because I want the cooking process to continue. I don't want the meat to get cooled down. And I'll cook it for 20 minutes. Okay, so while I have the meat cooking, I will just put the rice to cook. I am using white jasmine rice today. So for the butter in the rice, I am using the garlic butter. So this is roasted garlic butter. That's the one I'm using to cook the jasmine rice. Just tastes nicer. And for salt, I'm using the pink salt. So now guys, I will check the pigtail because it's on now for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. So I will remove it from the pressure cooker and put it in a regular pot to finish cook. So this is what it looks like. Just taking out the big pieces of ginger. Now I'll just cut some ground provision to put in the pot, in the pigtail. Guys, I don't use extra seasoning in pigtail because to me, pigtail already have that unique taste to it. So you don't want to kill it with too much meat seasoning, etc, etc, kind of seasoning. So I just use ground provision because I want to keep the taste of the pigtail. So I'll just cut some ground provision to put in it. This pepper was in the freezer. My knife get dull, need sharpening. Scotch bonnet pepper, mix all of it. Clean my green onion. Now guys, I'll make some spinach dumpling to put in the oxtail. my bad. In the pigtail, I'll just make some spinach dumpling. So I'm using flour, and salt. Add a bit of salt to the flour. Now I'll add all of these ground provision that I cut to the pot as well. Okay guys, so I'm just checking the pigtail. It's all done, it's all cooked. Tastes nice as well. Now I will check the rice. Oh yeah, rice is all done. Shelly and nice like I wanted it. So the rice is butter garlic rice, and now I will be plating and eating, my favorite part. Let's go. There you have it guys, stew peas, pigtail stew peas with white rice. This is garlic butter rice, jasmine rice, and a slice of tomato. Guys, I hope you all enjoy watching this video as much as I find pleasure in making it. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's dig in it and taste good. So good, so nice. Tastes good. Thanks all for watching and see you in the next video.